Dear students and viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you all in my YouTube channel, Z Chemistry. I am Sheikh Azul Islam, teacher of High School Shamu. And today we are going to discuss about the next topic from this particular chapter. The name of the topic is petroleum. Petroleum is basically, it's a mixture of various fuels, like it's a mixture of petrol, diesel, grease, LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, CNG, compressed natural gas, wax, etc. All these components basically constitute what is called as petroleum. This petroleum is formed just like the same way as the coal is formed, or we can state that this petroleum also acts as a fossil fuel just like coal. And in this particular case, the process of carbonization occurs where any animal or part of the animal or any living organism that gets buried under the earth several years ago, and due to high temperature within the earth or due to high pressure within the earth, there is basically destructive distillation, or we can state that there is carbonization of this particular breed material, and it gets converted into petroleum. And due to constant efforts of human beings, or due to human activities, or due to drilling by use of certain drilling machines, this petroleum is it is basically obtained from this earth's crust by use of these drilling machines, or use of high sensitive machines, which basically find their way deep inside the earth while the process of this carbonization takes place. And this petroleum, it can be bring to the it can be bring towards the surface of the earth by using this drilling process or drilling machines. And then this petroleum or this substance is subject to the process of it is subject to the process of fractional distillation, whereby these components, they are being heated at different temperatures, and each component, it gets converted into its respective component at different temperatures. For example, petroleum, it gets converted in this petroleum part, it gets converted into petrol at certain part, diesel at a certain part, or at a certain region. That is why this distillation is called as fractional distillation. Distillation is basically a process whereby the vapors of any liquid or any miscible liquid, we can state that is converted into vapors, and then these vapors are cooled down, and that process is known as distillation. And if this distillation occurs in case of fraction, in case of components, or in case of certain regions, then it is called as fractional distillation. This petroleum, it is not so much pure. Hence, the process of refining is done so as to make this petroleum very much pure, or purity of high class, and it is done with the help of certain refineries. Those are called as petroleum refineries, and mostly these petroleum products, are the parts of this petroleum, they are used as a fuel. And in the commercial world, they have a very much high value. Or these days, most of the wars which are being played in the world, or which have been played in the Middle East, only on this petroleum, because this petroleum is a very important natural resources these days for human life, as well as for all the human activities. That was all about today's topic. Have a nice day.